pay-per-view fans.
Now, you're a second-generation driver. You know, what is it like representing your family's legacy with a name your team's established many years ago?
It's been a lot of fun. This one's been brand new. My brother's been brand new. They don't make them any better than this, so putting this equipment to the test has been a real challenge, but a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, you know, speaking of your brother, what is it like competing against him week in and week out?
It's a lot of fun. I tell you what, we burn through a lot of parts, but it's a good time, and we always push each other to be better.
That is Triton Robbins, the driver